Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prioritizing the items that let you interact with the door. Move quickly. Check the attic, kitchen drawer, and behind curtains for keys and lock parts. Once you have a padlock or key, test the latch position. Doors can be jammed. Make sure to crouch and move quietly so Granny doesn't hear. If she approaches, hide immediately. These first actions put you in control of the lock sequence and prevent the chase from resetting your progress. Now you focus on assembling and aligning the lock so it functions reliably. Place components near the door. Once done, fit the latch into the strike plate and align the teeth before tightening screws. Use the screwdriver in short controlled turns to avoid stripping. Make sure screws bite into wood. If the key feels stiff, wiggle slightly while applying steady pressure. Do not force. These measured steps reduce failures and keep the door operable for later missions. You complete the sequence by installing and testing the lock so it reliably blocks or allows access. After mounting, test opening and closing 3 times. If it binds, remove the lock, realign the latch, then red-tighten screws. Make sure the key turns smoothly each time so you don't get stuck during a chase. If the lock still fails, file the latch lightly or swap to a spare key. This final check ensures the door behaves predictably when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.